Consumers are increasingly moving away from soft luxury items like handbags and accessories. Even iconic bags are starting to lose some of their resale momentum. The average resale premium for Hermes, Birkin, and Kelly bags fell from about 2.2 times retail in 2022 to around 1.4 times by late last year. At the same time, there's been a trend toward hard luxury purchases like watches and fine jewelry. Part of the reason the jewelry market has been more resilient is because these high-end pieces contain precious metals and gemstones, and that can make their value rise with gold and silver prices. Bernstein's global head of luxury goods told me via email that he estimates roughly 1/3 of the renewed interest in gold-heavy and gemstone jewelry could be tied to what investors call a flight to safety. For many wealthy buyers, the appeal of fine jewelry today goes beyond fashion. In an uncertain economic environment, pieces made from precious metals and rare gemstones can function almost like miniature stores of wealth. It's the perfect combination of status, craftsmanship, and tangible value. Demand for stones like rubies, sapphires, and emeralds has also surged as collectors look for alternatives to traditional diamonds. The trend is even showing up in engagement rings. Unlike diamonds, which can now be produced in labs, high-quality, colored gemstones are far harder to replicate. No two stones are exactly alike. One expert I spoke with estimated that about a decade ago, roughly 5% of engagement rings featured colored gemstones. Today, that number is likely closer to 15%. Celebrities including Halle Berry, Kate Middleton, Eva Longoria, Rita Ora, and Halsey have all helped popularize gemstone engagement rings. At auction houses like Christie's and Sotheby's, some rare gemstones have recently sold for multiples of their estimated value. Collectors are increasingly treating them like pieces of art. But experts caution that jewelry still isn't a traditional financial investment. It's less liquid than stocks and can come with storage and insurance costs. Still, in an uncertain economic environment, for many wealthy buyers, owning something tangible is part of the appeal.